A car clutch is an important part of your vehicle. It helps you change gears smoothly and control the car while driving. There are simple tips to make your clutch last longer. Do not rest your foot on the clutch pedal while driving, as even light pressure can cause unnecessary wear. This habit, known as riding the clutch, creates constant friction and heat. Over time, it damages the clutch plate. Always keep your foot on the footrest unless you are changing gears. This simple practice helps your clutch last longer. Shifting gears smoothly helps protect the clutch and gearbox from unnecessary damage. Always press the clutch pedal fully before changing gears and release it slowly. Rough or rushed shifting creates extra friction and heat. Smooth gear changes make driving more comfortable, improve vehicle control, and significantly extend the overall life of the clutch system. Avoid holding the clutch pedal while waiting at traffic lights, as it places continuous pressure on the clutch system. Keeping the clutch engaged for long periods increases friction and heat, which leads to faster wear. Instead, shift the vehicle into neutral and release the clutch pedal. This reduces stress on clutch components, improves driving comfort, and helps extend the overall life of the clutch system. Use the handbrake when stopping or starting on slopes to protect your clutch from damage. Holding the car on an incline by balancing the clutch and accelerator causes excessive friction. This habit quickly wears out the clutch plate. Applying the handbrake keeps the vehicle steady without strain. Releasing it smoothly while moving helps extend clutch life and improves overall driving safety. Avoid overloading your vehicle, as carrying excessive weight puts extra stress on the clutch. The clutch has to work harder to move the heavier load, which increases wear and reduces its lifespan. Always follow the manufacturer's recommended load limits to keep the clutch in good condition. Start driving smoothly by releasing the clutch gradually and gently pressing the accelerator. Avoid sudden clutch releases or high revs, as these create excessive friction and strain on the clutch plate. Smooth starts reduce wear, prevent damage, and make driving more comfortable. Consistently practicing gentle starts significantly helps extend the life of your clutch. Always drive in the correct gear for your speed and road conditions. Using a high gear at low speed or a low gear at high speed forces the clutch to work harder. This increases friction and accelerates wear. Shifting to the right gear reduces stress on the clutch and ensures smoother, more efficient driving. So, by following these tips, you can make your clutch last longer.